All right, I got it. I had it backwards and yeah. Let me just put that to 0.8. Is this the right one? Yeah, it is. Why am I doing it that way? I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm gonna put that first one in. Keep getting to show the damn camera. Shit. Hold that side. Okay. Doing pretty good, huh? Oh, that's... Oh my god. That's already way better than before. Now, where's the other... Oh, fuck me. Fuck! Where's the other washer? Where's the other... Did I ever lose it? Oh, you motherfucker. I'm trying to find this other piece. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh. It stayed on the fan. It stayed on the fan. Alright. 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 Ay, ay, ay. If you look at a Bro Newtone 50 CFM with the same clips like this, and then you compare it to one of these old 60 CFMs, it's ridiculous. Fuck. It's kind of ridiculous how freaking oversized this is. This motor is. If you do enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe and share. Okay. Turn everything off. I need okay. I'm just gonna grab the motor. All right. Bring it over here. Yes, don't mind my damn fucking messy cords. All right. I'm just gonna plug it in. Okay, well, I'm an idiot. I'm like, wait, it's supposed to go on there. So I gotta take these off. And no, it goes this way. Yes. Or does it? Yeah. Yes, it goes this way. And then oh my god. I screwed them on. And then now, yes, high train. Now I grab that. Don't worry, I got WD-40 here. Apparently it's magnetic. Sprays a tiny bit on it. Or should I say in. That's all we fucking have right now. And it's this one. So I'm just gonna spray just a... Lovely! Came out too much. Okay. How the hell did this get so... How? Hold on. I did something wrong here. Something got messed up. Why is it like that? What the fuck? Hold on, let me... It's silent though, with the fan, with the blower on. Why? Because I put it on backwards, that's why. Yeah, I put it on backwards. That's the slot for the motor. Oops! Well, now I know. Hey, at least now I know right now, before anything. Right? I just need to turn this around. I normally never do portrait video because landscape is all the way, but if it's a YouTube short, then I do portrait video, but yeah. But for YouTube short, it's only, what, 3 minutes of it? So make sure you end your video before like 3 minutes, like 2:55 or something, 2 minutes and 55 seconds, or 2 minutes and 57 or 8. But no, fuck. There we go. Yes. Okay. Hold on. Before I do that, let me grab my damp paper towel. Wipe that. Wipe that. Turn it back over. Yep, that's better. Now this is a pain in the ass. Fuck. Okay. You motherfucker. I know people in the comments are gonna be like, oh, that's not how you do it, blah, blah, blah. Shut up. Fuck, I just hit my phone with it. This is the... Yeah. But if it wasn't for me, you know, doing this and cleaning and replacing the exhaust fans, right? Let's just say our house would have been burnt down by now. Yeah. It's because of me. Even though my mom gets pissed about it, she's like, why the fuck are you doing this? Why are you doing this? It doesn't need to be changed. Blah, 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 blah. You're wasting your money. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Now, you know what I mean? Like, I'm the one who cleans the exhaust fans properly. Yeah, see that now? Much better. I'm the one who cleans the exhaust fans. I'm the one who cleans who does the furnace filters. Ah, shit. You know? If it wasn't for me, our house would have been burned down by now. And even at the cottage, when I replaced the dryer vent, I cleaned the inside of it. And if it wasn't for me that day, you know, yeah. But problem is now the washing machine, we have a problem with the washing machine at the cottage. The Whirlpool Worlds one. The fucking drain pump is leaking, and they don't have the part because it's discontinued. So we can't do laundry there, which is fucking bullshit. And I said, do not get rid of it. You can find parts. And my mom's like, the guy that came said they don't have the part anymore because it's been discontinued, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, you can still find the part. It's for any Whirlpool washer. And she's like, no, you can't. Not for this one. I'm like, really? Okay. Now make sure these are fucking tight. Yeah, these are fucking loose. We don't have a... Actually, we might. Give me a second. Oh, found one. It was the one that was on here, and look. Perfect size. Now, gotta line up that with the motor shaft. once you get it on, you push it down slowly. And you don't want it... You don't want it to be pushed down too far. That's much better. Now, we come over here. Okay? We hold it and we plug it in. Are you fucking kidding me? Did you fucking hear that? Did you fucking hear that? You're joking. You're fucking joking, man. Hold on, it's because I did it too tight, maybe. Is that maybe why? Bro, 16 fucking minutes. Come on. I should have done a live stream instead. It would have been better. All right. I thought I fixed it, but I think I don't know, man. It might be time for a new fan. I mean, listen to it. Okay, let me try this again. Put the blower wheel on it, and if this squeaks again, I'm gonna be mad. Perfect. Oh yeah. Look at that now. Look at it now. Yes! I fixed it. Oh, I'm sweating now. I'm honest, I'm actually sweating. I'm actually sweating right now. Goddamn. So now, okay, it's time to go put this back up into the fan spot and see what happens. Whoopsies. Can you see it? Yep, you can. All right. I can't see from that angle. God damn. I gotta go in this toilet. Gotta be careful. Are you sure this is what the fan was? Yes. Okay. You ready? Switch on. Ready. You ready? 1, 2, 3. That. Yes. L. That is a healthy fan motor now. And now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to tape up all this because the exhaust pipe goes right here and it's blowing right back down, and then oh yeah. I fixed it. Yes. Well, if you did enjoy this long fucking video of part 2, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.